Hey everybody, Tabitha here from Tabitha Explores, and it is time for part 2 of the Icefields Parkway journey. So this is, again, if you haven't watched my first video, definitely go back and watch the start of my journey through the Icefields Parkway. This one is a little bit less of inside the park. It's the journey I took through Alberta down to Cochrane and then back into the park through Banff. So it's kind of the middle part of the trip. Still incredible sights to see on this video. And then you'll need to watch part 3 to watch especially the southern end where I go from Banff up towards Jasper. So I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Look at these mountains though. Later in the summer you won't see nearly so much snow on these mountains or down at the level we're at. It won't be long before that's all gone from the level we're at. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Wow. Again. Right, we are getting to the point where we either go south. Oh, there's a glacier lake here. Oh, that's hiking. Never mind. Oh, all right, we are getting to Saskatchewan River Crossing. And this is where we decide whether we're going south to Banff or east out of the mountains. And the plan has been to go east out of the mountains just to, well, let's go up and through here anyways. Take a quick look and see if we get some good views up here. There's gas here. I bet it's not cheap. Not interested in getting gas here. I still got almost 3/4 of a tank after filling up. Valemount. Gift shop, groceries, mountains everywhere. And we're gonna take Highway 11 towards Rocky Mountain House, Red Deer, wow, look at that. Wow, this lake is River Lake, Abraham Lake, that's what Google says, is gorgeous. It must be all glacial runoff for that color. We're going to have that color in the lake. That is absolutely beautiful. Let's put you that way so you can see it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that color. Well, we are driving through Alberta from Sundre to Cochrane, and it is definitely different scenery than we had earlier. Excuse me, sorry. Definitely scenery we didn't see earlier. I guess this is considered the foothills, so it's kind of hilly land before the Rockies off to our right side, but really beautiful landscape. Lots of rolling hills, lots of green. I'm enjoying the drive. It's been a really long day though. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I've still got 45 minutes till I get to Cochrane, and then I'm going to find somewhere to have some dinner and then head over to my bed and breakfast for the night. So puts me pretty good timing. I thought I would have more time for some reason, stopping in Rocky Mountain House or one of these little towns along here, but it has not turned out that way. I guess probably because of all the stops I made in the park and all that. Not that I really stopped like for long at any one time, but I guess overall it was a lot of accumulated time during all the stops that I did. So all right, well, we are up and at 'em very not early this morning. The time change going from BC to Alberta, I actually set myself an alarm this morning so that I would get up and be showered and ready to go in time for breakfast, because I didn't know if I would sleep in or not, and I did. I slept straight to the alarm at 6:30, so, and then I had a really lovely breakfast with the other people that are staying at the bed and breakfast I'm at. So we definitely leisured over that and had a chat. And then I had to go and get gas and coffee and something to eat later. And now I am finally on my way, and it is like 9:30 in the morning Alberta time. But gives me an extra hour on the other side heading back when I get back to BC. And now I'm taking Highway 1A into Banff. Because you can always take Highway 1. So I'm going to try Highway 1A. We're going to head into those Rocky Mountains way over that way. A beautiful view from the bed and breakfast I stayed at in Cochrane. It was really nice, reasonable price, comfy bed, private bathroom, shared breakfast, and yeah, it was fantastic. Great night. Alright, I'm driving Highway 1A, just a little ways north of Highway 1, into the Rocky Mountains, and it is definitely a different experience than driving into the Rockies on the BC side. The BC side, you don't really know because you're already kind of in the mountains, but from Alberta, like, it's literally like foothills, valley, and then all of a sudden you're like in the mountains. It's not gradual. The mountains just kind of start right here, which is pretty cool. I'm sure you saw in the video a little bit of the approach to the mountains, which really didn't take very long. Like, I've only been on the road maybe half an hour, a little bit more maybe, and I'm like right into the start of the Rockies. So I'm really glad I took this route over Highway 1. Highway 1, I'm sure, is so busy. It's a Saturday too, so there will be busyness. But Highway 1A here is just quite a lovely drive. Alright, driving through Canmore, stopped for a bathroom break and grabbed a sandwich and a drink for later. So I got something to eat. Just grabbed it at the grocery store, so not too pricey that way. And now we're heading back to Highway 1A. Canmore seems alright too. Interesting. Busy place. And it's not even the height of summer yet, but it is a weekend, so I'm sure there's lots of people that come up here for the weekend, spend a couple nights and enjoy the park before it gets crazy busy. Sure is beautiful scenery here. Just stunning. Mountains all around you.